Hi students, welcome to physics classes. Today we'll discuss about condensation. Condensation is the process which gas is converted into liquid. Gas molecules are converted into liquid molecules. This is the reverse process of evaporation. In evaporation, liquid is converted into gas. Condensation, gas is converted into liquid. Now we will discuss an activity to understand condensation. If you take a vessel containing water, vessel containing cold water, if you kept in a open place, if surrounding temperature is more than temperature of the water, if surrounding temperature is more than the temperature of water, here what we have taken, that water temperature is less than the temperature of surrounding, that surroundings contains air. In the air, water molecules are present in the form of gas. Water molecules are present in the form of gas. They will move. They are having some kinetic energy. When they are having some kinetic energy, it is in the motion. Those are in the motion. When they are moving, if they get collision with the vessel, their kinetic energy will be decreases. Kinetic energy will be decreases. When they are getting collision with the container, its kinetic energy will be reduced. Whenever its kinetic energy is reduced, automatically its temperature decreases. Temperature also decreases. Whenever their temperature reduced, that gas is being converted into liquid. That gas is being converted into liquid. That's why whenever we taken cold water bottle and if we kept in the open place, that surroundings of water bottle will get some water droplets. That is because condensation. Whenever that water molecules which are moving around the cold water bottle, that water molecule getting collision with the water bottles, their kinetic energy decreases. Finally their temperature decreases. Whenever its temperature reduced, it is being converted into liquid. Gas is converted into liquid. Now condensation is the warming process. Why condensation is a warming process? Here already we discussed this water molecule in the form of gas. They are having more kinetic energy. So more temperature. Whenever it is getting collision with the water bottle, kinetic energy decreased, temperature also decreased. While it's decreased, kinetic energy decreased, so its energy is entered into the atmosphere. Whatever it is having, that energy is entered into the atmosphere. So in the atmosphere, energy is increased. Kinetic energy is dropped by the water molecule in the form of gas entered into the atmosphere. Kinetic energy which is dropped from the gas molecule entered into the atmosphere. So in the atmosphere, heat energy is increased. That's why we can say condensation is a warming process. Next, dew and fog. Dew means, just now we discussed about condensation. Condensation, that condensed water droplets condensed water droplets in the winter mornings we will find on the leaves, window pans which are placed outside of the house, bikes. We will find some water drops. Water drops. These are condensed water droplets. These condensed water droplets which are formed outside is known as dew. Dew means condensed water droplets. Next, fog. Fog is a mist, thick mist. In winter mornings, we will find mist in the atmosphere. That is known as fog. Next, boiling. Boiling means liquid to converting from liquid to gas at a constant temperature. Converting from liquid to gas at a constant temperature is known as boiling. That constant temperature is known as boiling point. Constant temperature is known as boiling point. If you take water, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That 100 degrees Celsius is known as boiling point of water. Boiling means converting from liquid to gas at constant temperature. That constant temperature or particular temperature is known as boiling point. If you take water, water boils at 100 degree Celsius. Here we can say one activity. If you take a vessel filled with water and kept on the stove, on the flame, if you continuously giving heat at one particular temperature, that is boiling point, water gets become vapor. That is known as boiling. Here we can place a thermometer and we should continuously observe it. After reaching 100 degrees Celsius, it start converting into vapor. That is boiling. Next, melting. Melting means solid to liquid. Converting from solid state to liquid state at one particular temperature. Ice melts at 0 degree Celsius. That is melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. Melting means converting from solid to liquid at a constant temperature. Ice melts at 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius is known as melting point. Next, freezing. It is the reverse process for melting. Liquid to solid. Converting from liquid to solid is known as freezing. Water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius, water converted into ice. Water converted into ice. That is freezing point of water.